In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change country in Stripe. If you are moving your business to a new country or your company has gone through a change that affects where it operates, it's important to understand how Stripe handles country changes. Stripe accounts are country-specific for compliance and banking reasons, which means you don't switch a single account's country. Instead, you set up a new dedicated account for the new country and then handle any data or ownership considerations as needed. First, create a new Stripe account in the new country. This will be a separate workspace tailored to local regulations, currencies, and payout rails. When you sign up, use details that match the new country's legal and banking requirements. The verification process may ask for local business documentation and identification, so have those ready to keep onboarding smooth. Take a moment to mirror key settings from your original setup, things like product names, tax settings, and webhook endpoints, so the new account will feel familiar as you begin using it. If you need to bring over customer information, contact Stripe support and request a data migration. Stripe can move basic customer details between accounts, but not everything is transferable. For example, payment methods, historical charges, and balances typically don't migrate. That's normal because accounts are isolated for security and regulatory reasons. When you reach out, be clear about exactly which data you need and confirm what's eligible to move. Plan some lead time for this process and keep your teams informed, so here is no disruption when you begin using the new account. If this country change is the result of a business acquisition, you'll also want to transfer ownership to the new legal entity in the new country. This ensures the correct company is recognized on the account and that verification and compliance records stay accurate. Stripe may request supporting documents to verify the new ownership, so gather your acquisition paperwork and be ready to provide it through the official support channel. For those using Stripe Terminal, update your setup by creating a new location with a valid address in the new country. Terminal locations tie your in-person hardware and transactions to a physical place, which helps with tax, compliance, and reporting. Creating a new location ensures your devices are configured to operate in the right market, with accurate receipts, settlement, and local settings. That's the process at a high level. Move thoughtfully, keep stakeholders aligned, and communicate with Stripe support whenever you need clarity. Thanks for watching.